The excessive use of smartphones and tablets and continuous exposure to the free radicals in the environment are the main reasons for the increase in patients with eyesight problems. Even if these problems appear naturally, over the last few years the number of people with poor eyesight has risen at an alarming rate, especially in younger people. Lots of people continue to think that eyesight issues only appear with old age, and many times they ignored the necessary precautions to maintain healthy vision. Apart from good habits such as avoiding reading at night or not straining your vision when there's little light, there are a few natural elements with properties that both strengthen your eyes and create a protective barrier against the damage caused by toxins and sunlight. For example, aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances that are great at preventing eyesight problems. This natural remedy combines ingredients with substances that go far beyond the cosmetic uses of aloe vera. It increases the production of white blood cells. This property helps our tissues repair themselves, which protects the delicate membranes that cover our eyes. Rich in water, antioxidants, and important vitamins, aloe vera extract is the main ingredient in treatments for several types of eyesight problems, such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and weakening of the corneal tissue. Furthermore, aloe vera helps control the glucose levels in our blood, which makes it a powerful ally against diabetes and any eyesight problems related to the worsening of this disease. So consuming aloe vera regularly helps keep our eyes and blood healthy, preventing both genetic eyesight problems as well as the ones caused by external factors. When paired with bee honey and walnuts, aloe vera's properties are intensified, and it's able to offer a more complete treatment for several diseases and syndromes. Plus, it maintains healthy vision. With these foods, this recipe becomes an important source of minerals, fatty acids, and fibers necessary to keep our bodies healthy. Here's how to avoid eyesight issues with this natural aloe vera recipe. Natural recipes are only guaranteed to be effective if their ingredients are of the highest quality. So when you are preparing this recipe, remember to get the best ingredients possible. Organic versions of these ingredients are preferable to ensure they have the highest concentration of nutrients and properties. If you include this recipe in your day-to-day routine, it will also strengthen your digestive and immune system. So instead of looking at this recipe as something that will produce immediate results, think of it more as a syrup that will help improve your overall health. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera, 1/2 a cup. The juice of 2 lemons, 25 grams of bee honey, 1 tablespoon, 50 grams of crushed walnuts, 1/2 a cup. Instructions: cut the aloe vera leaves and extract 100 grams of liquid from inside them. Put the aloe vera in a pot with a little bit of water and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Take the liquid off the stove and store it for 10 to 12 hours. After this time, blend it with all the other ingredients. After the mixture is creamy and homogeneous, store it and take it 3 times a day. Drink it 30 minutes before every meal. Now that you know how to prepare this aloe vera syrup, take advantage of it to prevent eyesight problems. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe.